So first we're gonna use To-Go Spas. They're under eye. They reduce puffiness, redness, and circles. So if you had a late night out or you just want to refresh your under eye. So you open it, you put them right underneath of your lower lash line. And these you let sit on for, I usually let them sit on for about 7 minutes. I do this first, so if you're gonna do your whole makeup routine, you can do everything around it, or you can just do it first and then take them off after. Okay, so now that I have my under eye mask, I'm gonna continue doing my makeup. You can just leave them on for about 7 minutes and do your makeup around it. So first I'm gonna use CC Red Correct by Euphorian. This helps mute out any redness if you have rosacea or any kind of red from acne. It will help, or just redness in general. You're gonna apply the color corrector evenly all over your face or just where it's red. And then I like to blend it with a beauty blender. It'll give you even base to work on, just so when you go to put your foundation on, you can already see it muting out any discoloration and evening everything out. Now that you have a nice even base, you can go in with whichever foundation you're gonna use. The red will not show through now that you've used the color corrector. So now I'm just gonna apply my foundation. So now I'm gonna go under my under eyes with the Stila color correction palette. This will help anything under the eyes. If you feel like you have dark circles, I like to go under with this after to conceal. So I usually use this color and this one mixed for myself. So you just want to go under in a V, and you don't want to go all the way up because you don't want it to sit in the little fine lines under your eyes. You just want to do it low, and then you're going to blend upward. So you just use whatever product you already have to bring it up, and it should blend right in to take away any of those dark circles. So this palette also has these two color correcting setting powders, and I go across, and I just like to set underneath of my eyes, so if it does get in any of the lines, it smooths it out. Another product I like to use with concealer by Kevyn Aucoin, the Sensual Skin Enhancer, which is one of my favorite ones. If you ever have a breakout and you just need a little spot treatment, it's very thick. Sometimes I even just go in with my finger on the side because it's so thick. Especially if you're gonna use it under your under eye, which I like because it kind of just blends in with my skin color. I just like a little bit of extra coverage. And then I put it, if I have any spot, like right here, anywhere that you have a spot, if you break out on your chin, this really helps. And it just blends right in, and that's why I like to use this one. Also, you could use this Kevyn Aucoin concealer too. Sometimes I like to use this, or for an eyeshadow primer.